In front of me is HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 PaperMatte, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off high performance mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Battery section available here. Then use this switcher next to Performance mode to activate it, and wait. As you can see, high performance is on. To switch it off, tap on the same switcher until it's gray. Quick tip: if you are not sure if performance mode is enabled right now and you don't want to enter settings every time, just check out your top right corner. When performance mode is on, you will always see this icon next to Wi-Fi 1. If it's gone, that means that performance mode is off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!